Here's a question I want you to sit with. Are you using AI in your wedding business, or are you using AI to run your wedding business? Because those are not the same thing. Drafting an email, writing a caption, that's using AI as a tool. Running your inquiry process, your follow-up, your client experience, that's using AI to operate your business. I'm Brandee Gaar, and I've helped hundreds of wedding pros grow profitable wedding businesses, and this is the biggest shift I've seen in the last 20 years. And in this episode, I'm gonna show you exactly where the line is and how to cross it. There's two levels of using AI. Level one is using it as a tool, and I think most of us are already using it this way. We actually did a poll inside of our Wedding Pro CEO community, and we learned that over 90% of our students were already using AI in their business almost daily for things like writing a caption, drafting an email, and that's super common. That's what we've all been doing. That's level one. Level two is using AI to actually run your wedding business, creating an operating layer or little AI employees that actually own sections of your business. Things like your inquiry process, or fully automating your content production, or being part of your client journey and helping to really wow and over deliver to your clients in a voice that sounds exactly like yours. In that same poll we did inside of our community, less than 2% of our students were actually using AI this way, and I'm here to help you make that change. So when I say AI can run parts of your wedding business, what does that actually mean? It can look like your inquiry agent responding to, qualifying, and actually getting a consult booked on your calendar without you ever touching it. It can look like your content agent creating a week of content for you from one consultation that it reads. Your onboarding agent can send the right documents at the right time to the right clients so that you never have to get involved in it. And it can also look like a profit agent that helps you to understand what are your most profitable packages, where are you leaking cash, and where can you make even more money than you already are. But here's the gap. Most wedding pros are learning how to use AI from social media tips and tricks. They're not actually learning how to build the foundation, build the brain, help your AI understand who you are and what you do and what kind of clients you serve and why you're already so good at what you do. We need it to understand you before it's going to put out any kind of content that you'd actually be proud of using. No one's taught them to build that system, to build that foundation. They're simply just learning tools and implementing those, which there's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to be ahead of the curve, if you want your business to be even more scalable over the next 3 to 5 years, it's time for the next level. When you go from using AI as a tool or using it like you've used Google before and go to implementing it as an actual system that runs behind the scenes in your business, what actually changes? Well, first of all, you're gonna get a ton of time back. In my business, one workday alone, I saved almost 10 hours, which I know sounds crazy, but the amount of things that it was able to help me do, I was able to get everything I had done in one day versus 2. And that's because I had already built the foundation. It already knew who I was. So I didn't have to spend time over and over again explaining what I wanted. I set it, let it work while I was doing other things, and came back to beautifully produced work. Your client experience is also going to go to a completely new level. We've all used automations for almost a decade now, but it's so much more than automations. It's your AI understanding how you deliver the service and what your clients need or want. So when they reach out, it can automatically draft responses that you just have to approve. It can send the correct documents at the right time, and it can even change their status inside of your CRM and add notes so that the rest of the team understands what's going on too. And the best thing about making this change is that you stop being the bottleneck in your own business. I know for myself, there are way too many pieces of paper that have an idea that I want to execute or something that I really want to do inside my business, but I simply don't have time and it gets shoved in a desk drawer somewhere. No more. Now you can pop that idea into AI and either say, I want to work on this now, or how can we execute this and what do you need from me? And then you can decide when you're able to actually put your time and energy into it. Because again, your AI is not replacing you as the human. It's just making you way more efficient. So here's what I want you to do, because you know every single episode we put out is going to have something tactical for you to actually go do in your business. So the first thing I want you to do is to identify one repetitive task or process that you do every single day or every single week that honestly you'd love to outsource or have someone else do. This is going to be what we create as the first step of having your AI do it for you. Ask yourself, what would this look like if AI did 80% of the work here. And then I want you to build it, test it, don't forget about testing, and then fully hand it off to your AI agent and move on to the next thing. If this sounds too good to be true and you're sitting here thinking, I want to do this in my business, but I'm too busy to understand it, it all feels super overwhelming to me, I hear you. That was me not long ago at all. Once I started learning the power of understanding how these AI agents can help make my own businesses so much more efficient, I knew I had to bring it into our entire wedding industry. And I cannot wait for you to learn how simple this is to actually implement into your own business and how much more scalable your business will be if you just implement a few of these things. So that's why we've created the Beyond Prompts Bootcamp that my entire coaching team is going to be teaching over 3 days. This is not how to better prompt your AI, not that at all. It's how to create an operating system within your wedding business so that it becomes more profitable, more scalable, and you get time back to focus on the things that actually move the needle in your business. I want you to head over to weddingproceo.com/bootcamp to grab your spot. It's going to be June 23rd through June 25th. My entire team will be there and hundreds of wedding pros learning how to build AI agents inside of your wedding business. Again, that's weddingproceo.com/bootcamp, or just click the link in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you there. I don't think I clapped in the last one. I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay. Okay.